Hey guys, what's up? My name is Alex Bell and I make Twitch and Kick tutorial videos to help streamers grow faster in 2026. Today is May 1st, 2026, and in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best services to buy Kick chatters for active live stream engagement. If you are trying to become a Kick partner, grow your stream faster, or make your chat look more active and engaging, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, after testing multiple platforms, the #1 service on my list is Followers Panda. Followers Panda is one of the oldest and most trusted platforms for Twitch and Kick growth services. One thing I really like is the control panel. You can pause or resume chatters anytime, customize join intervals, and manage everything easily from your dashboard. For this tutorial, we are buying 50 AI Kick chatters. Click on Buy Now, enter your Kick username, add your email address, and continue to check out. After verifying your email with the OTP code, create your password and proceed to payment. They support Stripe, PayPal, and crypto payments. Stripe also gives a discount, which is really useful. Once the payment is complete, refresh the dashboard and go to My Orders. From there, you can open the control panel and instantly manage your AI chatters. As you can see, the chat becomes much more active. The AI users respond to the streamer naturally, ask questions, and keep conversations flowing in real time. Now let's quickly talk about the other services. #2 is Stream Boost AI. They offer basic Kick engagement services and viewer activity tools. Good for beginners, but the AI conversations are not as advanced as Followers Panda. #3 is Social Stream Growth. They provide chatbot-style engagement and stream interaction features, but customization options are more limited. Overall, Followers Panda is still my #1 recommendation in 2026 because of the realistic AI behavior, instant delivery, flexible controls, and reliable support. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.